Near đam chơi rồi lùm nơi hàng lệch Ravenwood nơi flow wollcott là nơi là tích hay rước với ọt miền chặt chơi tới bốc halo đá lên về bốc hơi té nó có chom đây. Good, now the street sanitation is here too to report it, so it's good right now. They come to report it and move the tree out. I don't know what time it's happened, but look at the root. There's no more root to survive. Wow, the root is decayed. That's what happened, huh? You know what time it just fall down? It just recently?
Yeah, like an hour and a half ago.
Oh, okay. Yeah. No, one call. That house. That's a big one. I think probably this one is almost more than 50 years of age.
Yeah, the lady was saying she's been trying to get this removed for like 30 years now.
But belong to the city, that's the problem. You cannot do it because now the city take care of that.